Let's start this question is two keyboard. There only one character A on the screen of the notepad. You can perform one of two operation on this notepad for each step. So you copy O or paste. So you can understand there are two operations. Now here, given the integer n, return the minimum number of operation to get the character A exactly n times on the screen. So here, for example here, the n equal to 3, explanation is initially we have one character A. Now, step 1, we use the copy O operation. Okay, we copy this A. Now, step 2, we paste the operation to get the double A. And we here use the paste operation to get the triple A, right? Here 3A, now we just return the 3. So how to get this solution? So actually there are multiple ways to solve this question. We know that the first one is dynamic programming. So you can see here, return the minimum number of operation. If you see the minimum of number, so you can understand it's possible using dynamic programming. It's my experience told me that telling you can use dynamic programming. Actually, here we can use the factor to solving this question. So what's that mean? So we have factor. The factor start from 2. So f the f represent a factor is 2. So the 3 mod by 2. So we know is still 1. 1 is the remainder, right? So which means the 2 is not valid for, it's not valid factor for the 3. So which means, so maybe it's still confused. I try my best to explain this question. Now we just the 2 is not available. So now we just need to increase the factor by 1. So now factor is equal to 3. 3 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3, we got a 0, right? Okay, now, so which means we can divide the n, we can divide the 3, divide by 3, so divide the factor. So we got 1. And here 1, which means we need to stop it. So we just return, we need to add this factor to the total. So we have total. You can understand total step or total operation we did. So here is equal to the 3 because the factor is 3. 3, which add 3 to the total. So the final we return the 3. So you can see here the output 3, right? Maybe you are confused what's the logic behind. So I give you one more example. If n is a, the factor always start from the 2. Okay, it's our factor. So now you can understand. Okay, now we just mod a mod by 2. Okay, we got a 0, right? So which means we need to get a 4. The total need to add 2 because we need to add a factor to the total. Now after dividing by 2, we got a 4. 4 also the mod by 2. Let's see if equal to 0 or not. Yes. So we got 2. So we still add a 2 to the total. Now 2, we need to check the 2 mod by 2 equal to 0 or not. Yes. So now we got 1. Finally we got 1. So here is 2. So here mean the total mean we need to perform 6 operation. And then we got no A, we have AA, right? AAA. AAA. So we only do the 6 operation. Now here the question say first step we have 1A. We initially we have one character A. right? Now we copy it. Now we copy this A. Now we have one operation. Now we paste, right? After we paste, so we got 2A. Paste is also operation, right? So we need to increase by 1. Now we need to copy this one. We'll copy this one to double A. Okay, copy is operation plus 1. And then we paste. Oh, sorry. And then we paste the A, double A, right? Double A. Okay, now the paste also is operation. Plus 1. 1 plus 1 plus. Now currently is 4. Now we know we copy this one. We copy this one over. So actually we have two operations, right? We have two. Actually, we have two options. We copy this one and then paste. Now 4 plus 4 equal to A, right? Equal to A. So actually here we have two operations. We need to add two operations. Or we don't need to copy all. We just paste and then paste. Now we got an A's, right? So no matter which way, we know here just only 6 operation. So maybe I didn't explain this very well, but you just know here we have one solution is using the factor. Now let's study. If now we know n equal to 1, you can see in the second example, if n equal to 1, to return 0, right? Now here we have total, right? Total. We also have factor. In 1 second, we have factor equal to 2. We already start from 2. Now we need to return total. Now make sure the n is greater than 1. Now while loop. So now we need multiply 2 if equal to 0. Okay, this means we can divide. The current n. Now we need to total the factor and then n multiply by 2. Not 2. Sorry, it's factor. Now if this one we finish this while loop, so we need to increment factor. If this one it's not multiplied by 2, it's multiplied by factor. So we know here start from 2, right? Sometimes maybe 2 is not working. Now here, if not working, if the 2 is still valid, can divide the current n, to just keep running this while loop, right? If not, then we break the while loop, and then we need to increase the increment factor by 1. Now there will be 3, right? 3, and to do the same thing there. We just do this way to keep 1 second. We just do this way to find factor. Sorry, I put the wrong spell. We just do this way to find n equal to 1. If n equal to 1, and then we just return the total. The total should be the minimum number of operation we have. So let's run it. Okay, you can see it's past 100%. It's B 100%, and then the time capacity is B of n. I think it's not B of n, but it's worst case B of n, but it's depend, right? So it's fine. You can say it's B of n. I would say this one is B of n. The space capacity is B of 1 because I didn't use HR memory here. And then thank you for watching this video.